I am feeling sick. I'm not feeling very well. Wow, chicken soup with lots of vegetables. Thank you, Edward. That's exactly what I need now. You're so thoughtful. Edward, thank you from the bottom of my heart for being with